Good morning students, welcome to the online class of grammar. Today we are going to start chapter number 21, conjunction. Now we are going to start our conjunction, this chapter. All of you now see here, conjunction is consist of 5 things, that is and, or, so, because, but, okay, or. These are the 5 things which we are using in conjunctions. So add is used to add information, but is used for a context information that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so here in the first, take the correct answer. On the first page you have seen alpha uses because to. Why alpha uses because to? A give reason, show an opposite idea. So answer is give reasons. Generally we use because to give the reason. Second one, when alpha says so please do as I say, the word so means that is why. Okay, so means that is why. Okay, the answer is that is why. Now conjunctions which we are going to learn in this chapter, words such as and, but, or, because, so are called conjunctions. These are the words that are called conjunction. They join words or group of words together. Okay, so conjunctions are words, they join a sentence together. Okay students, we use and when we want to add information to a sentence. For adding any information we are using and here. Okay, so add any information we are using and. Examples are Dinah and Atul went to Sikkim. I will bath and go to the market. This is add. When you are using add and you are adding some information. Okay, second one is we use but when we want to contrast information. For example, press that green button but don't push it too hard. So when we are using but, it is used for contrast information. If we are contrasting, is there, so if the information is contrast with the previous one, so we are using but here. We use or to join different choices. For example, I go out for dinner or I order food. Now in here you can see students, in these words or we are used for the choices. If there is one or more than choices, we are using this word here. Okay, we use so to show the result of something. Okay, to show the result we are using the so word here. So it is means that is why. For example, I am your captain, so please do as I say. So here you can see I am your captain, so please do as I say is a word here. So I am your captain, so please do as I say. Okay, it didn't rain much this time, so the fields went dry. So here so is used for that is why. Okay, if there is an showing the result, we are using so here. Okay, next one, we use because to show the reason for something. For example, the fields went dry this time because it didn't rain too much. Now students, 5 things we have understood. And we are using for adding information, but for contrast information, or for choices, so for the result, and because for reasons. Okay, so let us go ahead with our exercises now. Choose the suitable option. It was raining, so the match was postponed. Okay, so we are using so here because here result is because of rain the match was postponed. So we are using so here. Sam is a kind and helpful boy. So and is here because he is kind and helpful both. June finished her homework quickly, but it was full of mistakes. Okay, so he has finished his homework, but it was full of mistakes. All students got good marks because the test was quite easy. So because is the reason here. Ria threw the boomerang as far as she could. Dash came back right back. Okay, dash it came right back. So here but we will use as when the Riya is throwing the boomerang, it as far as she could, it's come right back. So we are using but here. Jenny will have an omelette or a paratha, whichever is available. Now here or is used for choices. The shop could be in this block or the next block. Okay, the shop is in this block or the next block, so we are using or here. I brought extra sweets because Arshi is coming over in the evening. So extras, I have brought extra sweets because Arshi is coming over in the evening. अर्शी शाम को आ रही है, इसलिए मैंने एक्स्ट्रा स्वीट मंगाए है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ गोइंग अहेड विद आवर बी एक्सरसाइज, टिक द करेक्ट वर्ड्स. The astronauts get special trainings because there is no gravity in space. Astronauts get special training because there is no gravity in space. Second one, the sky is clear and the stars are visible. Mercury, third one, Mercury is hot because it is very close to the sun. Now Mercury is very hot because, why it is very hot? Because it is close to the sun. sun से बहुत close होता है. Fourth one, Nilofer is a boxer and a dancer. So here Nilofer is a boxer and a dancer. She is both. So we are adding information, to information we are adding. So it is an and we are using for as a conjunction. Fifth one, we cannot see the moon all the time, but it is always there. So we can see the moon, but it is always there. Okay, we cannot see the moon all the time. We cannot see the moon every time. Okay, sometimes the moon is there, sometimes moon is not there, but it is always there in the sky. Sixth one, it rained last night, so the track might be slippery. It rained last night means last night was raining, so the ट्रैक माइट बी स्लिपरी. स्लिपरी मत स्लिप हो रही, मतलब चिकना वो ना, इसलिए स्लिपरी का यूज़ हुआ है यहाँ पे. ओके. सेवंथ वन, द अर्थ लुक्स ब्लू फ्रॉम द स्पेस बिकॉज 70% ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट इज जस्ट वाटर. So when we are looking for the earth from the space, it looks blue. Why? Because 70% of our planet is just water here. Okay. 8.1, you can fly the plane yourself or you can put it an autopilot. So here choices are given. You can fly the plane yourself or you can put it on autopilot. Okay students. So this was our exercise B. Okay. So let us revise what we have learned in this chapter. We have learned conjunctions. Conjunctions are consisting of 5 words: and, or, and, but, because, so, or. These are the conjunctions. We are using and to add information to a sentence. We are using but to contrast the information. If any information is given here, we can contrast the information. It means one information is given, we are giving another information regarding that. Example here is given, press that green button but don't push it too hard. So it contrasts with the first information, as first one is saying to press the button, but there is a condition given here that don't push it too hard. So condition is given, that's called but. We are using but here as a conjunction. Or to join different choices, if choices are there, we are using or here. So is used to show the result of something. Okay, if we are getting the result of something, so we are using so here. We use because to show the reason for something. Okay, if something has happened, what is the reason? We are using because here for giving the reason here. Okay. So this was our chapter on conjunction, students. So let us see what we have learned. We have learned conjunction consists of 5 words: and, but, because, or, so. Okay, and is used to add information, but is used for contrast information, or is used for choices, so is used to show the results, and because is used to show the reasons. Okay. So this was our chapter on conjunction. So that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.